Hello and welcome to another episode of Human Behavior. Let's look at the nature first, get inspiration. Okay, I have just created a 360-degree circle. To give you an example of how sneaky your subconscious mind can be when it comes to behavior. Let's say you create a dream in your mind and you're ready to pursue it. On the way there, this is what you're gonna keep having to deal with. You're gonna have to deal with your subconscious mind. In order to change your behavior, you have to change your subconscious mind. That means all the settings that apply to a behavior needs to be changed. I think I've said it clear enough. Energy! So now we're gonna turn around and we're gonna head back to where we came from. And that's another example of how to deal with your subconscious mind. Many times when you make a move to change your subconscious behavior, you're going to be thrown back and you're going to have to go back. You're going to have to go back or you're going to have to accept that you went back because it's going to be so strong. The forces behind all the behaviors, behind all the agreements that you have in life are tremendous. It's like trying to turn a Titanic on a dime. So it'll take time. But it is doable. And when you start changing your mind, when you start changing your behaviors, you'll see the benefits. You're gonna be forced to look at the things that you didn't want to look before, where there's a lot of bad emotional baggage that is creating mitote in your mind. Or mitote is like it's actually an ancient word, and it describes disorder in your mind. So in order to have a mind that you can operate from and change things if you don't like, you have to clear your mitote. You have to clear your mind. And that is what I was talking about, the behaviors that we have. When we start changing them, we're going to become somebody else. We're going to become irrecognizable because we are consciously making choices and changes. Now, here's an example of my own of what happened to me in the past few weeks, or I would say from the last recording that I've done, and past that too. But from the last recording, I have been negotiating my way through the subconscious mind with the desire that I have, which is keep making those creative movies for other people and have benefits from that, have monetary benefits from helping others to move forward in their mind. My subconscious threw me so many curveballs in the past few days or a week or so that I haven't been even ready. And guess how it came about? It came about making a huge step, a decision. I made a decision that I will start putting those recordings on YouTube. I will create a YouTube channel. I did all that with other human being that helped me with that. And ever since, it felt awesome and it felt weird. My subconscious was trying to take me back, was trying to use me the way it was using me before as the energy that I am. And now I am freeing myself again because I have a desire. I have a huge desire. I have a hunger for having this work for me, what I'm doing right now. And the constant vibrational feeling that I was getting is that, don't do it. No, it's not worth it. Concentrate on what's bringing you money right now. And I started laughing. And I started laughing and I started saying to myself that, yeah, okay, it's okay to make money, but it's also okay to think about the future and the human body, how I am using that human body, what I am using that human body for, and how much physical impact am I giving to my body, and what do I get in return? If those feelings are not the way I want it, then I need to change my behavior. I need to start behaving differently. I need to start taking a different role. And that's what I did. Because I work a physical labor, the body keeps telling me that, there's a feeling of being abused from physical labor because I've been doing it for so long, and it takes much longer for the body to regroup, for the energy to reach all those areas, to clear everything that happened during this physical manifestation or physical work. And it's taking longer and longer. So part of this decision is that I switch from doing too much of that labor. I'll still do it because I love doing it, but it's I'll do this kind of labor. I'll walk around, record movies and put them on YouTube, and then create more media friendly portals that I can send it out to people and finally get a monetary value in return, so I can pay bills and not do too much of that physical, or pay some bills at the beginning, not do too much of that physical labor. So the fact is, it's happening, and it is taking me a while, but I am constantly readjusting myself with my behaviors, and I'm moving forward. So until next time, behave yourself and watch your decisions. When you make your decisions, stay with it. When you get thrown out of your decision, put yourself back on and keep going. Have fun.